COVID cases and hospitalizations, but the number of variant cases is climbing. Good evening, I'm Tara Overholt. Alberta's top doctor doesn't appear to be overly concerned about a rise in variant cases, but AHS is testing 300 positive COVID tests per day, looking for them.
There are 51 total cases of the variant, both the variant first identified in the UK and the variant first identified in South Africa.
That's 14 new cases identified since last week. However, Dr. Hinshaw says that comes from a batch of travel-related cases over the last month that had not been sequenced. Hinshaw says out of the 51 variant cases, 6 of those in 3 different households cannot be linked to travel.
And of course that is concerning, as it seems that in those cases there may have been a source that we haven't identified, indicating that there likely is some spread in the community that we have not yet tracked back. All the rest have a link to travel.
Meantime, Hinshaw is pleased to see the downward trend of cases across the province. 355 new cases were reported today from 7,300 tests for a positivity rate of 4.9%. 556 people are in hospital, with 102 of them in the ICU. 10 new deaths were announced today, bringing the total to 1,649 lives lost right across the province. 106,000 doses of vaccine have been administered, and 16,200 Albertans are fully immunized. As for schools, there are 209 schools with outbreaks or on alert. That's roughly 12% of the schools across the province. But Hinshaw says new data shows the reopening of schools has not increased spread in this age group.
Looking at last week, on average, 71 new cases were identified each day among school-aged Albertans. This is down from the 131 daily cases that we saw on average the week before school started in person.